Hi, I'm Ellie Malmin, and I know a lot of you know me because of my YouTube channel called eEducates. And you're probably wondering why I haven't been, filming anything for the past 7 years. Well, quickly, it's because I got too busy. I started traveling, teaching eyelash extensions and just all over the world. And then COVID hit, like everybody kind of like put on the brakes. And a great friend of mine and I started talking because I did one of my friends who passed away, and she's like, "Oh, Ellie, let's open up a funeral home and we could do makeup." So let me introduce Marie, right? This is Marie, my partner in crime. And here's what we decided. We decided we wanted to go to school, but how long did it take?
A couple years.
We're
a little old for that.
Yeah, we're a little old. So Marie said, why don't we teach makeup? To who?
People our age.
Yeah, Marie knows nothing about makeup. When I say nothing,
I'm learning.
And since I've been in the business like 40 some years, I thought, why not? Let's take a stab at it.
Why not?
Yeah. So here we are. So you will be seeing many more videos of how-to things, and hopefully we won't be like boring.
Yeah, we won't be boring.
Yeah. Now, should we say we tried TikTok and what happened?
It wasn't just for us.
No, it wasn't, because we got a little bit too risque. And we were like drinking champagne because we thought it was like...
But it was fun.
It was fun.
And it was good champagne. Mine was.
No, I don't like good champagne.
I know. I don't understand why.
But I do like good makeup. Anyway, stay tuned and you will see what is in store.
See you then.